Well, hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Shefayet Hossain, an ex-student of Ielts professor. Well, my Ielts exam experience was very smooth. Initially, I had some problems, but while I was doing the coaching, Abrar sir really helped me a lot to remove my confusions, and I was better prepared for my exam. Ielts professor was very helpful indeed. They provided us with all the necessary and modern test materials. Apart from that, the environment was very friendly as well. Well, Abrar sir helped me a lot. I first attended his free mock test class, and really the way he showed to solve the reading passages was very effective. So immediately I enrolled in the Ielts program, and the tricks for the true false sections and the heading matching sections was very helpful for me indeed. So yes, without those tips and tricks, I may not get my desired results for sure. Well, mock test experience really help you to get the idea about the time management. When I sat for the mock test in Ielts professor, that really helped me to get the time preparation done. For example, you have approximately 20 minutes for per passage. So during the mock test, it helped me a lot to finish the test within the time frame. Well, I can say three most effective tips at this moment. For example, I will start with the speaking session. Abrar sir definitely told us some effective ways to get a band 7 in your speaking, and those are very helpful indeed. Apart from that, the writing task 1 has a very effective introduction and overview part, so that is very much helpful for you in order to write that part. And lastly, he showed us how to manage the time effectively to finish the reading part within the time frame. The three tips that I said really helped me a lot to get my desired score in my Ielts exam, and all credit goes to Abrar sir for that.